Hey, camping enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie to the great outdoors, having the right gear can make all the difference. Ready to elevate your next adventure? Let's make sure you're fully prepared for anything nature throws your way. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 essential camping gear items that'll make your trip not just bearable, but absolutely unforgettable. These items are game changers. Trust me, let's jump right in. First up, forget struggling with wet firewood or uneven campfire cooking. We've all been there, right? It's frustrating and can really dampen the mood. A portable camping stove can be a lifesaver. It's reliable, efficient, and takes the guesswork out of meal prep. Look for one that's lightweight and easy to set up. You don't want to be fumbling with complicated gear when you're hungry. Think about it, hot meals, fresh coffee, and even some gourmet camping recipes. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee in the middle of nowhere. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Plus, it adds a touch of home comfort to your outdoor experience. Next, it's not just about staying warm, it's about getting a good night's sleep. A restful night can make or break your camping trip. Choose a sleeping bag rated for the temperatures you'll be facing. This ensures you stay comfortable no matter the weather. Pro tip, invest in a sleeping pad as well. It adds an extra layer of comfort and insulation from the cold ground. Your back will be grateful. A good night's sleep can make all the difference in your energy levels and overall enjoyment. Third, ever tried setting up a tent in the dark? Yeah, not fun. It can be a real challenge and quite frustrating. A headlamp frees up your hands and lights up the night, making everything easier. From late-night bathroom trips to reading in your tent, it's a must-have. Look for one that's water-resistant and has a long battery life. You never know when you'll need it most. You'll wonder how you ever camped without it. It's one of those items that once you have, you can't imagine camping without. Number 4, this is the Swiss Army knife of camping gear. Versatile and compact, it's a camper's best friend. Whether you need to cut rope, open cans, or make quick repairs, a multi-tool has you covered. It's incredibly handy. Opt for one with a variety of functions, but also compact enough to carry around. You don't want to be weighed down by bulky gear. It's like having an entire toolbox in your pocket. You'll be prepared for almost anything. Finally, clean drinking water is non-negotiable. It's essential for your health and well-being. Instead of lugging around gallons of water, bring a portable water filter. It's a practical and efficient solution. These devices let you safely drink from streams and lakes, ensuring you stay hydrated no matter where you are. It's a lifesaver. They're lightweight, easy to use, and an absolute game changer. You'll never have to worry about running out of water. So, there you have it. 5 essential pieces of gear that will transform your camping experience. These items are not just nice to haves, they're must-haves. The right gear can make all the difference, turning a tough trip into an unforgettable adventure. You'll be more comfortable, prepared, and ready to enjoy every moment. Pack smart, stay safe, and get ready to make some amazing memories in the great outdoors. Adventure awaits. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more camping tips. Happy camping. Let's make your next trip the best one yet.